So then we got, yes, you guessed it, forwards, nope, reverse, chi rolls. These are your best friend. If your best friend was a nightmare who made everything better. Yeah, okay, cool stuff. So this is your reverse chi roll. It is important, and it can also be done, if I think about it, with the palms going up, which is hella weird. Yes, so that's what it looks like. Let's show you from the side, just so you get an idea. Like that. Now, we could go through the 3 ways to learn this again. You could watch the reverse, the forwards chi roll for that if you like. But we'll just go through it real quick. So, this one's a bit harder. I'm going to go for the inside arms initially this time, because I find that a lot easier. So again, ooh, that's weird. You can do one arm at a time, with the other arm doing paddling, which is quite weird. It's got to be said. Or you can do it one arm at a time, the other arm, the other hand just holding the non-grippy metal bit, and the one hand practicing it, and then you can even practice it with your little tray. And now you've got to remember here as well, your arm is doing the opposite. So in the forwards chi roll, your arm went out and then in, and now in the reverse, your arm goes in and then to the outside. But in terms of the one that goes inside, it still just goes blah, 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 blah. But this would be great if it wasn't the second time I recorded this tutorial, and the first time was incredibly blurry, so I just deleted it, and that was like an hour of wasted work, and I was like, oh. So, second time, a bit quicker, and a bit more frantic, and retarded. Okay. So, we're going in reverse chi rolls again. So the final way is to consider, oh, that little guy. It being, let me do this from this side. It being the split time version of this little guy. I don't know if I can do it with my hands facing out, sorry. Yeah. So again, ooh, it's coming towards you. And then, so when it reaches the back of the hand, that's when you bring the other arm in, as it were. That can be quite an issue to work out. So if I'm going from paddling, I want to start it. So if I'm going from paddling, I want to start it, the first arm, whichever arm that may be, when it's getting up to the elbow, and then I'm going to bring that arm in and let it roll over the back of the hand. And by that point, when it reaches the back of the hand, the other side should be up to the elbow, and then I'll start bringing that hand in and continuing the roll. Forward, this way. No, reverse. It's hard to kind of tell that, isn't it? So here it's going to reach the elbow, bring that little guy in, it reaches the elbow, it reaches the elbow. And again, you've got all these other little variations. You've got the little ones here. And you've got the one inside, one outside. And so on. But you might think, oh, I'm not going to need that. Why should I bother learning it? It looks hard, it looks not as good maybe, or stranger than the other one, but you've got to learn it. It's super important. You'll find out in the next